Alright, hey, what's up? So today, I'm going to show you guys how to connect PEX. So, right here we have a red one and a blue one. Really, it's the same thing, it's just separated so that you don't get confused. So they do them in different colors, but we normally use the red one for hot water, and the blue one's gonna be for cold water. But it really doesn't matter. If you just have a bunch of one kind, you can use it all. It just helps so you don't get confused. To connect it is so simple, much easier than copper. You don't have to do any soldering. It's really good stuff. Basically, to connect it, you're going to need the PEX. You're going to need these copper rings. They also have other kinds of crimping rings, but I generally like to use these copper rings. And then you're also going to need your fittings. So you might have these. This is a straight connection. You have like 90s here. So you have all these different fittings for whatever your plumbing needs are. But how this works is you have your PEX pipe. And let's say we want to put a 90 on, right? We're going to put our copper ring on first, and then our fitting slides in there, and then we want the ring about 1/8 away from the end, so like that. Now what I like to use is like some channel locks, and I just give it a light squeeze just to keep it in place before crimping it with these. So it's pretty easy. Once it's at this point, you would just put these on, crimp it, and it's done. But I'll show you in here on a live demonstration how it's done. Okay, so I need to cut a piece that's 65 inches. So we're going to mark here. And what I use to cut the PEX are these, like what you'd normally use for cutting PVC. So we'll just open it up there, cut it right here. And it really cuts so easy, so much easier than cutting copper. Okay, so here's my copper crimp ring. My straight coupling. Copper coupling for or copper crimp ring for the other side. And then I like to put them about a 1/4 inch from the end, 1/8 to a 1/4 inch. And to keep them from sliding around, I like to use these channel locks. Just kind of snug it on there. And now they won't move when I bang these around on it. And that's crimped. And then we'll do the other one. And there you go. That's how you join PEX.